Sean.
Hi, Lima.
So why did you invite me here today?
We're going back in time to 1904.
Why this specific time?
We're going to do research on a man named Upton Sinclair in the meatpacking industry before the new laws about the meat inspection and FDA checks.
Okay, cool. I would like to see what it was like before those inspections. Hopefully the meat was at least edible.
I guess we'll find out. And now we have to put our watches on and go to 1904, right before they had FDA checks.
Whoa, this sure looks different than the factories in our time.
Yeah, managers did not really care about the workers, so they had terrible working conditions. There wasn't even a place for them to wash their hands.
That's crazy. You would think that because they work so hard, they at least get better conditions.
Look over there. You can see the poisonous chemicals getting mixed in with the meat. That's disgusting. There's also rats crawling all over the meat.
Who knows where those rats have been?
And look how the bread and the chemicals are also being mixed and processed with the meat.
That's disgusting. Why would any human in their right mind eat this stuff?
It's because they don't even know what happened to this meat, and they don't even know that it's not safe to eat.
Oh my gosh!
What happened?
Why are the workers not wearing gloves? I just saw one of their hands get cut off, and he's still working, getting his blood all in the meat.
Wow! Now that I look around, none of these workers are wearing gloves, and all clutches their fingers are getting blood in the meat. That's horrible.
We should interview one of the workers and see what he thinks about working there.
Yes, that's a great idea, Alima.
Thank you. Let's choose that one.
Hello, we are here to interview you. Are you up for it?
Yes, I'm okay with it.
What's your name?
My name is Upton Sinclair.
How much do you make a day?
I make about $8 per week.
That's it?
Yes.
Why do you start working here? Is there any reason in particular?
Yes, I'm actually here undercover, and I'll be here for 7 weeks reporting everything that goes down here, and I'm going to publish a book about it.
Wow, that's a great idea. The citizens deserve to know what's going on down here.
Thank you.
Alima, it's getting dark. Let's go back to our time.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It doesn't matter what it means. But thank you, and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, that was so interesting.
I know, right?
I can't believe we met the famous Upton Sinclair.
Yes, and thanks to him, in the progressive era, we have FDA checks, minimum wages, and certain ages to work.
Well, that was fun. I'm gonna go home now because it's getting late. Bye.
Goodbye.